Over here, you can see that I have a notebook opened up. And let's say what I want to do is I want to merge out notes together. So for that, you can see that I'm over here in the new notebook section right here. So what I can do to merge out different notes is select a note that I want to merge and then hold Control on the keyboard to select another note that I want to merge together. Then you can go around, select out as many notes as you want, and you can click again to unmerge it out right here. Then let me just go around and then select out 4 of these notes right here. So in order to merge it, you can go around onto the more actions and click on merge, or over here you can see the merge icon as well. So you can go around and click on it, and what happens is that you can go around and give a new title. So I'm just going to go around and say TutorTube merge right here, just like this. TutorTube merger right here, and then click on merge for notes. So once I do that, what happens is that all of the 4 notes merges down together into a single note, as you can see, and all of the title of the notes is changed to subtitles right here in the notes, just like this, as you can see right here. And that is how you can go around and merge out different notes inside of a note in Evernote. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.